Hello everyone, I am Mauna Narvani. Welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, inserting data into MySQL database part 1, we have seen how to create this GUI form to read student information. The coding part was remaining. In this video, we'll continue with the coding part. Let's begin. First, go to source, import packages, that is import java.sql.star. We need to import SQL package and also import javax.swing.joption pane. javax.swing.joption pane. Import these two packages. So when we click this save button, whatever the information provided by the user, all this information must be stored into student_info table. So for that, double click on the save button, include try catch block, within the try block, start typing the code. Class.forName, com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Next, have a connection. Con is the variable name for connection. Driver manager dot get connection. Give the URL jdbc colon mysql colon slash slash localhost colon 3306 slash and give the database name. So here we are using student database. So the database name here is student. Comma, give the root username. So the root username is root itself and the password is root123. So whatever the password you have given during installation, give that password. So these two statements are same as what we did with the login page. Next, have a string variable SQL. Here you give the insert statement, that is insert into, and the table name is stud_info. Insert into stud_info values Let's check the contents of this stud_info. This stud_info has 5 columns: roll number, name, department, semester and grade. So here insert into stud_info values. Here give 5 question marks, each separated by comma. Next, prepared statement. PSTMT is equal to con dot prepare statement. So pass this SQL statement here, the same SQL statement. Next, pstmt dot set int. Set int, the first one. So the first one is roll number, which is of type integer. So p statement dot set int 1. We receive this roll number from this text box. So that is, we have renamed it to RNO. So it will be RNO dot get text. RNO dot get text. Whenever you read anything from this text field, it will be of string type. Here we need integer type. So convert whatever the read information from roll number field to integer type. So hence integer dot parse int. So roll number dot get text will give you string that you are converting it to integer. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 15. Roll number, it is of integer type. So hence convert it to integer type. Similarly, next, name is of type string only. So no need of conversion now. For that, use p statement dot set string. P statement dot set string. So name on the second column, and name we are taking it from this name text field. So it will be name dot get text. Next, we need to read the department. Department is of radio button. So for that, first create a variable, string type variable called as department. If so, we have renamed this radio button to CSC, ISC and EC. So if CSC is selected, then CS dot CSE CSE dot is selected. If CSE is selected, then department is equal to CSE dot get text. CSE is equal to CSE dot get text. So this is something like equivalent to DEPT is equal to CSE. Get text. So we have written CSE here. This text will be returned. If CSE is not selected, the next ISC is selected. Then ISC dot is selected. If ISC is selected, then department is equal to ISC dot get text. If EC is selected, then EC dot is selected. Department is equal to EC dot get text. So if CS can be selected, ISC can be selected, or EC can be selected. So in either of these, one will be selected and department will be assigned. Now P statement dot set string. set string. So this department is third one. So 3 comma, and the department value is present in DEPT variable. Next one is semester. So again semester is of integer type. 1 means first semester, 2 means second semester, 8 means 8th semester. PSTMT dot set int the fourth row. Again, as it is of integer type, convert it to integer dot parse int, and we get that semester from this sem text field. So it will be sem dot get text. Sem dot get text. Next, to read grade, first declare a variable string grd, which means grade. Grd is equal to, so this combo box has been renamed to grade. So it will be grd is equal to grad grade dot get selected item dot to string. Next, pstmt dot set string, the last one, fifth row with grd. Next, pstmt dot execute update. So if the insertion is successful, then display a dialog message, jOption pane dot show message dialog null, and here will display insertion successful. Then next, close the connection, con dot close. So in catch block, we have already inserted this jOption pane show message dialog. Save and execute the program. The login form has appeared. Let's give the username and password and click on login. So it's a successful login which says welcome admin. Click on OK. Now this student information GUI has appeared. Let's enter some information, roll number, name, suppose branch department is EC, say 8th semester, and grade is O, and click on save. So insertion successful. Click on OK. So whatever the data you have given, it has been inserted successfully. Let's check the database. This is the student info table. Now let's check once again. Select star from stud info. Now this 85, Sunita, EC 8 and O outstanding has been inserted. So here this record was not there, but now it has been inserted. Let's check how we can code this clear. Double click on this clear button. So this is the text field. For that, rno dot set text to blank. Similarly, next one, name dot set text to blank. Roll number and name are set to blank. We know that all these radio buttons are part of button group 1. So for that, write button group 1 dot clear selection. Button group 1 dot clear selection. You can also write it as CSC dot clear selection, ISC dot clear selection, EC dot clear selection. But you have to write 3 statements. All these 3 statements can be cleared using this single button group 1 dot clear selection. Next, there is this sem text box. So it is sem dot set text to blank. And next, there is a combo box. For that, we have renamed that combo box as grade. Grade dot set selected index to 0. So the first item, it will start with A, which is at index 0. Fine. Let's re-execute. Insert one more data into the record and clear it. Give the username and password and click on login. So a welcome message, click on OK. Now here, insert one more record. The input values are given and click on save. Insertion successful. Let's check in the database. So these were the values of previous select statement. Once again, select star from stud underscore info. So the record, it has been inserted. Click on clear. All the values are reset. Text fields are erased. Clear selection, and once again we had selected D and this combo box has reset to the 0 element. Insert one more item. And click on save. Insertion successful. Let's check it in the database. So here the data has been inserted. So this is how you are going to perform insertion operation through coding. That's it in this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.